there are 4 members joining with single mobile.
Okay, sir. That's very good thing. You have conserving the data as well as the resources also.
Yes.
Very good thing if you are sharing one mobile and the single data among multiple people. But if you will speak in between, then I will get disturbed. So that's why I'm requesting you to please, if possible, mute yourself. Till the participants are connecting. Okay, good morning once again, and welcome you all in the second session of this second day of this science webinar. And first of all, I would like to thank and congratulate to our Chandrabhanu sir, who has taken a very nice and mighty session in this today's morning of experiential learning.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome, sir. My topic is something different. As you know that my topic is innovative methods in online teaching. But that topic is not only restricted to online teaching, that may be used in offline teaching also. It has been 5 years actually, when we are together in this workshop. I as a master trainer along with my other partners, and you all people as a participant. But there is no much more difference between you and us. We all are same. We have some extra responsibility to share our views with you, and that is expected from all you all side also. So in the very first session that I was taking in Bikramganj in 2017 actually, my topic was teaching in 21st century, and the main focus of that session was using technology as a teaching aid, as a tool in our teaching. And that session has been completed, and many more of us has agreed with me that we can use and we should use the technology as a tool, as a teaching aid in our conventional teaching method. And but some of us felt that what is the use of technology? Why we should use the technology? Our conventional teaching method, that is the chalk and duster method, demonstration method, laboratory method, is smart enough, is mighty enough to teach the students. And that's right. The conventional method has no any other option. It is the best method still in this era also. But in the last year, last 10 months or 11 months, this pandemic, that is COVID-19, has taught us many things. It taught us that we should always be ready with alternative options also, because we can't imagine our conventional teaching method in that pandemic era, because no one can move, even the teacher or the student, to the regular school. Now day by day it is going better. We are being allowed to attend our normal school in that conventional method. But still, there are many more restrictions for some classes. So that pandemic teaches the use of technology. We were helpless to because we have no other option while using online teaching method. And yesterday we have discussed so many methods about online teaching method. This is live online teaching on Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, whatever platform we use. And another way is using audio clips, using video clips of ourselves, or some has been downloaded from the net also, Google also, YouTube also. Then the PDF is another option. But in my view, any one option cannot be the accepted as a whole. The combination of all these tools, all these methods give us a better result. Suppose you are using only online teaching method, then yesterday BN Singh sir has told me, and we have felt also, experience also, that there is a problem of network every time. Suppose we are sending only PDF, video and audio clips, and but that is up to the students that they are watching this, that clip, that PDF or not, or they are simply deleting this because there is limited space in their mobile, their laptops also. So we can use the combination of all these things to get a better result. And online online teaching method or online method is not our helplessness. It is the demand of today's era, because you can experience that in today's world, we are not going to electricity office to deposit our electricity bill. We are not going to bank to withdraw some cashes. We are just paying using Google Pay or Phone Pay at many places. At some places we need cash, then we go to ATM. We don't have to go to insurance offices to deposit our premium. All the things are successfully done on the online platform. Even the doctors are using this online platform in this pandemic era, and by professionally also, to give their suggestion, to give the treatment to patients. I know some apps, MFit, Doc apps, 1mg. These are some apps where renowned doctors are available on this online platform, and they give suggestion, their treatment to the patient online, in online method. The many lawyers are giving their suggestion on the online platform. So this online platform is not only our helplessness, but it is the demand of today's era. If we will not run with the pace of this changing modern world, then we will leave behind. I will like to take some names of online education platforms like Byju's, Vedantu. Do you know who is the ambassador of Byju? Brand ambassador of Byju? Anyone? Please give me answer.
Shahrukh Khan.
Shahrukh Khan. And who is the brand ambassador of Vedantu? It is Amir Khan. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
These two stars are highly paid stars. They are not doing the social service by giving their services to advertise the Byju and Vedantu. They are taking a lot of huge amount of money from that platform. And from where they have that amount, that huge amount of Byju and Vedantu earn from? They are earning from our students. They are earning from our parents. Subit Singha ji, please. Sanjay sir, mute, please. Sanjay sir, please mute your mic.
Yes, sir. Just I have joined.
Okay. Okay. So these online education platforms like Byju's and Vedantu are taking a lot of money. Like Akash has also recently started his online learning platform, teaching platform, and so many other applications are available there on payment. These are paid applications, not free of cost, and they are taking the money from our regular students, and they are giving these students who are not giving your fee in time. They take it as a burden, and they are paying that money very happily to this platform. Why? Because they attract us, and the students and the parents all get all the options in better way at their fingertips. So that's why these all platforms are emerging very rapidly, and they are successful also. So online teaching is a part of our education system now, and I would like to say that this platform is much more difficult than our regular teaching platform, because in our regular teaching platform we have to use our knowledge, our experience, and some teaching aids like suppose in chemistry periodic table, in physics some apparatus, and in chemistry laboratory also. So we have to use a very limited source and give a better result. But in online platform, you have to be equipped with technical tools also, and you have to attract the students in different way. I would like to share my experience when I started this online teaching in April probably. Then since I am little bit knowledge of computer also, so I have made PowerPoint presentations in a very good manner, my own presentation. The message is there. Okay. So I have made some very good PPTs in 5 or 6 days of one chapter, and I have sent it to the group of WhatsApp group of students. Then I have got some message, and I expected the appreciation from a student side because that PPT was really very awesome. But after some days, I got some messages from some students that what is the need of this PPT? We can't even learn all the things with the help of only this PPT, because no one is there to convince us at the time of confusion. When we are having some confusion, there is no one to give us instant remedies. So I asked them, so what should I do? Then they say, you just record your video or to take some live classes. Okay, then I have recorded some video and sent them my own video, just the selfie, using selfie camera. I was delivering a lecture on some topic and recorded that video and sent it to my group of that students. Then again, some students told me that your video is also one way, because you have sent your video and we have watched your video. But at the time of confusion, we have to call you, or we have to wait for another day, another session. So it will be better for you to take the classes live online. Okay, then I have started by searching all these platforms, Zoom, Meet, and whatever. Then I have started my classes on Zoom. And that also, some students told me that, sir, we are network connectivity in our area is very poor. We are not even connected to your classes. So we are not benefited. And why should we pay the fee of your school? And the parents also tell the same thing. Then I give them another option. Okay, you have some network problem on some days. I have also some network problems. So then I started along with all the things, this PDF, video, audio clip, and whatever, and that live classes. I have started recording my Zoom classes. I am initially I was taking the Zoom classes on my mobile, but after that I have started taking my Zoom classes on laptop. And in laptop there is a provision of recording your live classes along with the screen sharing. Still now our session is being recorded. So, and after the completion of that class, that 40-minute or 1-hour class, I used to share that video. I used to upload that video on my YouTube channel. I have created a YouTube channel myself. And I used to upload that video on my YouTube channel and send the link and that group of that very class, and tell the students who have not attended the class for any reason may watch that video and may get benefited. And if still there will be some problem, you can call me anyhow. So you have to change your strategy time to time according to need of the situation. And this is the one part, that is the delivering your knowledge to a student. And the another part is feedback, evaluation. So without evaluation, any teaching learning process is not completed. And to get evaluation, I would like to share some tool applications with you. I would like to share my screen with you. Is the screen is being shared to you? Please answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have discussed many times that for slow learner students, mind maps are very powerful tool. Mind map, you know. I'm going to discuss 3 applications in this session. The one is mind mapping, the second is crossword puzzle, and the third one is PDF editor if I will get the ample time. You can see all the 3 on the introductory screen also. Is the screen being shared to you?
Yes, sir.
So the first application is Mind Map. That is, please listen carefully and see, watch it on the screen. It is not Mind Map. It is Mind Map 2.0. And this application is meant especially to create mind maps, like flowchart. What is mind map? It is a powerful technique which helps us to visualize our thoughts in graphical manner, and it helps the students to summarize the lesson in a very powerful manner and memorize that all the important topics of that lesson in a form of flowchart, or that is called mind map. What are the advantages of mind map? We will see how can we create a mind map. Mind map structure information. The pieces of information are there with us, and all the information are gathered together. They are linked together in a form of graphical presentation, and it improves memory. It fosters our creativity, our means student along as well as the teachers also, and it facilitates collaboration. In short, we can say that mind map is used especially for slow learners to memorize the lesson in the very short method. By the very short method, important topics are only there. So how to make mind map using that application? So first of all, I would like to tell you that application is not an Android application. It is a Windows-based application. Do you know the difference between Android application and Windows-based application? Anyone?
Perhaps
sir.
Android application would be used in mobiles, and
Yes.
perhaps window application is in any computer, laptop it is.
Okay. So you are telling that Android applications are used in our smartphones because all of our most of our smartphones, excluding iPhones, are operating on Android application system, Android operating system. So we use Android application in our smartphones, excluding iPhones, and the Windows-based applications are mainly used in our PCs, that is laptop, desktop, or palm top, whatever. So do you think that that Windows-based applications can be used in our mobile or not?
Sir, no idea.
No idea. Okay, I will tell you. First of all, we will learn how to create a mind map using this site. So at the bottom of the screen, you are finding a web address. Are you getting it? https://drive.mindmap.com.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I am just clicking this link. This is hyperlinked by me, and that link will move us to that very site.
Okay.
You see, the Mozilla Firefox browser has been opened, and the concerned site is being opened. And now the website of Drive. Okay. One minute. Please mute yourself, Bimal sir. Okay, I'm muting you from here. The time is running. In 10 minutes, we have to connect again. for this zoom up. So on your screen, you will find that mind map window has been opened, and the bottom of here, I can annotate here. There is a tab called Create a New Map. Can you find it?
No, sir. The same thing is here.
At the bottom,
As it was
bottom of the
before.
screen. Bottom of the screen. Create a new map is
No,
here.
that is not shared. That is not shared over here.
Please
No, sir,
move
that is
your
not
mobile
shared.
in this wide manner. I would like to tell you, please move your mobile in this wide manner so that you can get the clear image.
Mobile in a wide manner on Malay, but it is not here. It is showing the previous screen there.
So that will maybe some network problem from their side. So there is a tab. Okay, I will scroll it for you. There is create a new map. Can you find it now?
No. It is the same screen as it was before.
Anyone else? You can find the create a new map tab there.
No, sir, नहीं कोई लिंक नहीं आ रहा है इस पर.
No, sir.
What is being shown on your screen?
Advantage of mind map.
Advantage of mind map. Okay. Let me make it. Okay, now. If you are getting it now.
Yes.
Okay, then there is a tab
Yes,
create a
yes.
new map here. I'm just
Yes.
clicking on it. That was the fault from my side.
जी.
And all of you have to make yourself ready because you have to do your yourself also. So first I will make it for you and then I will give the task to you. So here you can find that an untitled mind map, and then here is some blue box, rectangular box, in which it is written press a space or double click to edit. So this is called the root of the mind map. So I am double clicking it and typing, suppose matter. So the root node of my mind map is matter. The mic on hai. Okay. So in matter, now the root node has been made. Now you see there are many more tools here, or just right click on this root node. And then in that root node, by clicking on right, you can find many more options. Then we have to click on insert child. Screen पे दिखाई दे रहा है clear insert child?
Yes.
Okay, just click on it. So I am writing the physical classification. So this is one node, and again right click on it. Then we have another option, insert sibling. Do you know sibling?
Yes.
So sibling means another brother or sister of from the same parent. So I will just click insert sibling. So the second branch of this matter, that is, I will name it as a chemical classification. Okay, so we have made one root and one branch node.
Branch.
Now just click on physical classification, right click and insert a child, that is solid. Then again right click on it, insert a sibling, that is liquid. Again right click on it, just enter. Then it is gas. Now come to chemical classification. Just insert a child that is named as pure substance. Press enter, then right click, insert sibling. Are you getting it or you are getting bored?
It is very interesting, sir.
Okay. So suppose we have make this note, and it is very powerful tool. Not you have only making just flow chart, and you can write notes, definitions also in this app. Suppose I have to write the definition of matter. Just click on matter, and here you can find edit text notes. Please mute yourself. Ajay Kumar Singh. Please mute yourself. So on that, click on that
आप ही
matter
कर
and
दीजिए
click.
म्यूट सर.
हाँ वही करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा उनका ऑप्शन.
क्या है कि उनसे हो नहीं पा रहा है इसलिए आवाज आ रही है.
On which app, sir? Rakesh sir, on which app you are doing?
That is MindMap 2.0 or 2.0. Okay, so let me continue.
Where
ओके
it
सर.
is?
I will tell you again after the completion of that
Later.
presentation. I will tell you. So just click on
Okay,
matter
thank
and then click on edit text note. Okay, so just you can find matter and then you just write the definition. Any whatever. Suppose I am writing that only. Yeah, there is a tool called hide sidebar. Okay, I am hiding it. You are finding there is a figure of note there. So whenever you will click on that note, it will show the definition of that matter. In the similar way, you can write the definition of pure substances. Just click on pure substances, click on edit text note, and write the definition of pure substances. Whatever you type, it will be present there. I will show you. I have created one, and then you can change the appearance of different notes in different manners. Suppose that is the root note matter, and I'm just clicking here. You can find a button change node style. Are you getting it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then just click on that change node style, and you can change the background color. Suppose I have taken the red as background, yellow as foreground. So you can see that the appearance of that node has been changed. You can एक सेकंड वो सबको म्यूट कर देते हैं. Okay, now you can increase the font size of that node also, because it is root node. So we have increased the font size of that root node. Then we have two child nodes, physical classification and chemical classification. Change it accordingly. Suppose I have taken that green as whatever the combination you would like to change, you can change it. So I have made both the nodes in the same way, and similarly we can change the color of that further branches also. Okay, so in the same way you can change that branches also, the appearance of the format of these branches and the root as well. Then you have option to hide some label also.